In this video, I'll show you how to get into an old Cash App account even if you don't have access to your old phone number. And I'll walk you through every step so you can regain access safely and securely. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are not currently logged into any Cash App accounts on your mobile device. This is an important step because having another active account logged in can interfere with the process of recovering your old account and prevent the app from properly verifying your information. Once you've confirmed that no accounts are logged in, open the Cash App on your phone. When you reach the login screen, you'll see the option to enter your phone number or email address. Instead of using a phone number, select the email option. Enter the email that was linked to your old Cash App account. Cash App will then send a verification code to that email address. Be sure to check your inbox carefully, and if you don't see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Enter the code exactly as it appears to complete the verification process. After entering the correct code, you should be able to access your old Cash App account. If you've already created a new Cash App account but still want to reclaim access to your old one, you can do that as well. Open the Cash App, tap the profile icon located in the top right corner, and navigate to the Support section. Within the Support menu, select Something Else, and then choose Can't Access Old Account. From here, you'll be guided to contact Cash App support via email. It's very important to follow all instructions provided by the support team carefully. Provide all the necessary information they request to verify your identity, including any details that prove you are the original owner of the old account. Once your information has been reviewed and confirmed, the Cash App support team can help you regain access to your old account. In some cases, they can even help you merge your old account with your new one, so all your funds, transaction history, and important data are consolidated under a single account. By using your email instead of a phone number and following these steps carefully, you can successfully recover your old Cash App account, access your funds, and continue managing all your transactions without any interruptions.